Hey everyone, Cameron here. In this video, we're continuing the walkthrough of the Sellvia dashboard, and now we're opening the Learn section. This part of the dashboard focuses on educational content and materials that explain different parts of the platform and how e-commerce processes are structured, and most importantly, how you can become more successful. The first two sections are Discover and Insiders. Both include educational videos. Let's take a look at how they differ. The first one's Discover. This section is built around video-based educational content. Here, the dashboard shows a wide range of video lessons covering different e-commerce topics. The content here includes things like product research explanations, niche overviews, challenges, and practical walkthroughs focused on boosting sales and improving store performance. There are also videos explaining how to approach product selection and how to evaluate different strategies. All the videos in this section are presented by Sellvia growth managers. These are specialists who work with stores professionally and share structured explanations based on their experience. Once again, if you're a beginner or even an experienced person with an online store, I think these videos are really valuable because they not only give you an insight into how successful stores operate, but they can also be a great idea generator for your creatives or your strategies. Next, let's open Insiders. This section has a different format and feel. It can best be described as more of a community-based space inside the dashboard. The videos here are created by independent bloggers and freelancers who use Sellvia in their own projects. They share personal experiences, walkthroughs, and lessons learned while building their stores. Unlike the Discover section, the presenters here openly mention that they're not industry professionals. Instead, the content reflects real-life experimentation, individual roadmaps, and insights gained through hands-on use of the platform or guidance from growth managers. Because of that, the Insiders section feels more informal and experience-driven, focusing on practical observations rather than structured lessons. Once again, another really great area for everyone. In both of these sections, Discover and Insiders, there's also an additional video feed integrated into the page. This feed includes short video clips related to current Sellvia products and services. These appear as brief reel-style insertions alongside the main educational content. All right, let's move on to success stories. This section, of course, includes success stories. The content focuses on real examples of how stores are built, adjusted, and improved over time. Each section can be accessed directly from this tab, and the recordings are available to watch anytime. Makes it really easy to return to specific topics instead of following a live schedule. Next, let's open up the Academy tab. This section is structured as a set of organized lessons that walk through different parts of running an online business. The content here is divided into modules, and navigation is available on both sides of the screen. On the left side, modules can be selected quickly. On the right side, it's possible to move through lessons by step-by-step navigation arrows. There are three main modules here. The first one, Fundamentals of Running Your Online Business. The second one, How to Make More Profits with Your Online Store. And the third, Discover Advanced Ways to Expand Your Business. Now in the first model, it's going to go over basic operational topics. The lessons focus on everyday tasks, such as managing orders, withdrawing funds from the account balance, and working with reports and analytics. Overall, this module explains how routine store operations are handled inside the platform. The next module moves into growth-related topics. It's going to focus more on understanding how profit is generated and what areas typically affect store performance. The lessons here explain different approaches to increasing profit potential over time. The last and third module covers advanced topics. Here, you're going to find additional methods for generating revenue and improving efficiency. with a focus on minimizing manual effort where possible. The lessons here build on the earlier modules and explore more advanced use cases. Now, let's go over to the Courses tab. This section contains a collection of courses created by different professionals. As you can see, you'll probably recognize some of these institutions. There's even a Harvard Business course here. Each of these courses focuses on a specific topic, and the selection is organized around different business goals and areas of interest. All right, the last tab we're going to go over is the Guides tab. It's at the very bottom of our Learn section. This tab includes step-by-step guides designed to explain very specific tasks or strategies in detail. The guides will cover topics such as video marketing, influencer marketing, product selection, and even the process of selling an online store. Each guide is going to be provided as an online PDF file that you'll download and then can be accessed whenever you want with a single click. This makes it really easy to save the materials and review them offline if needed. That's all for today. This is my overview of the Learn section and what's included in these tabs. In the next video, we'll come back to the remaining sections here and continue breaking down how each part of the Sellvia dashboard is structured. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.